In this video, I'm going to show you how to measure and cut your turf according to your, say, swim spa or any other surface, assuming it's not 100% square like ours. Stay tuned for the whole video. What's up, everybody? Behind me, we have our turf. Let's take a look. All right, so we ordered a 20.5 foot roll. That's more than we need, and it comes in 6.5 feet long, and it's actually much more vibrant than anything that I found on Amazon, and it's actually a 1.75 inch pile. So it's actually quite soft, I'm gonna show you how to measure and cut your turf according to your, say, swim spa or any other surface, assuming it's not 100% square like ours. All right, so we need to do not a straight line. We're about 1.5 inches off, so you can see that it's a little wider, because you see there's that little gap here, and that gap does not exist right over here, right? So we're gonna do a measurement from here right to the wood, not the white part, but the gray part, and then we're gonna go from here also right there. Now when you're ready to cut, we're going to be using basically garden shears or aluminum shears. Scissors will work too, it's just going to be a little longer. And we're going to flip it on its back. The reason we're going to be is because these lines are straight, so this will make it easier for us to follow the line when we're cutting. So we're going to go 1/8 longer than we really need to. You can see it's actually quite easy to cut. The other way to do it is to just add markers, like tape markers, and then just go along the tape. If you're using an X-Acto knife, you probably want to use like a very long beam to cut it. All right, so it took us about 10 minutes to cut this, and we're just going to double measure the length and cut the first one. All right, and now we're going to cut this side. Okay. All right, let's go test it. So the cut came up quite good. Goes right up to the edge. So now let's go and do the other one. The question is, can you use this X-Acto blade to cut this? And the answer is yes, you can. However, I wouldn't suggest it because you really have to be dead on to do that. But I'm going to show you. So this is basically the turf paper. You see that? 1, 2. And it still hasn't cut it. But a third one will. See? So it definitely can. Probably faster than the scissors, but you're risking. All right, so let's take a look. So we spent about 1.5 hours cutting and measuring. So here's the first strip. It goes all the way to the end. And this is right now temporary because we are going to be building a canopy over this. But this at least is holding those against it. And I like the way that wrapped around there. And then we cut another piece from here to there. And then we got another piece from there to here. But then here we still have the hole, so we have to go and build this out. So then it's going to look like that. And then again, we got one piece from here to here. We still have left over for all this. So yeah, it looks pretty good.